Here's what I speculate. I think it's easier for a person who doesn't have a business to sell on TikTok Shop than a legitimate business is to sell on TikTok Shop right now.
Oh my God. Well, I think it's a lot for me to take to a client right now.
Do it. 100%. Will it work? Who the heck knows? How can I help?
Mostly your opinion on TikTok Shop in the US market. I mean, what is the best way to measure TikTok traffic that's led to Amazon?
Brand searches, no question. So when we did this for Age of Sage, the number of people that looked for my brand, let's say it was like 600 a month typing in Age of Sage. And then after the TikTok, it spiked to 6,000. So like 10x'd it. So if you look at the keyword history for the brand term, you can see how much traffic is generated before and after the TikTok. That's how I would measure it. It's not possible to measure sales. It's not possible to measure direct acquisition. It's going to be an indirect buzz, right? So the traffic should go up. The brand searches should go up. You should be able to prove that impact there. And overall, you also get the cursory benefit of earned media, right? So if they make a really good video, I was selling my Starbucks Pikachu whatever tumbler at the time before Amazon yanked it, and the woman was a Starbucks barista and shot the video straight in the Starbucks. Like, it was amazing, right? Like, I couldn't have paid thousands of dollars to obtain that. I paid $200. Just random stance happened. And so if you get a video like that, it could be game changing. Take my Amazon guy. The number one way we generate customers is by people watching our videos. We're shooting a video right now to get another customer, right? Somebody's going to say, I watched the video where Steven was talking about how important videos were with Astrid, talking about TikTok. And I said, I want that. And I'm going to hire my Amazon guy.
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
Like, that's how powerful videos are. So the brand needs to be playing in TikTok. Especially, like, tell me what kind of brand it is.
It's a pickable bottle brand.
Yeah. And so that's a hot topic right now. People are like health and fitness, and it's not as hard on your knees and your elbows. It's not as bad as tennis. And like, it's the fastest growing hobby sport, casual sport that's growing on Amazon right now. So super important to be doing videos in 2024.
I asked you because we are just getting access to his TikTok Shop account. So I would really like to see how it goes with this brand. And I believe it's going to be really good. So my next question is like, what are do you have some insights that you could give me about TikTok Shop or success case? Well, you just did with Age of Sage, but what do you think is the impact that TikTok Shop will have in the US market, and how do Amazon sellers?
So the shop itself is up and coming, and it's anybody's guess, right? It's probably this stage in the game. It could be the size of Etsy. I don't really know what the numbers are off the top of my head. Certain brands will do well, others won't, right? So that's why I compare it to Etsy. It's not like eBay. It's not like Walmart. Not every product's going to succeed, but it's an inevitability that somebody is going to take some market share from Amazon at some point. I don't think it's going to be in the next 2 years. So TikTok's probably not taking market share from Amazon, but they probably are taking market share from some of the Temus, the eBays, the Etsys. They're probably taking market share from those guys so far. But it's just, if you think about it, like, TikTok has the following, it has the views, it has the traffic. So it's just, if they make the checkout funnel as seamless as Amazon, where it's a single click checkout, if they solve for logistics, which is not going to be solved for them, like that's where TikTok's going to let everybody down. Like, it's going to be, wait a minute, I ordered that 2 weeks ago. Where is it? Oh, that crappy seller that has 1-star reviews. Gosh dang, it's shipping from China. I've been had again. Like, that's the problem with TikTok Shop. Would I test it? Yes. Did I load my Age of Sage products to TikTok Shop? Yes. Did I get through the identity verification steps? No. So there's still logistical problems with even the most basic routine things. And we escalated our support up to TikTok, and we didn't get any assistance, like major escalations, because I wanted to showcase my products on my YouTube channel to showcase how TikTok Shop could work. Couldn't get it done. I had like great documentation. I had, the LOs, all the tax information. Here's what I speculate. I think it's easier for a person who doesn't have a business to sell on TikTok Shop than a legitimate business is to sell on TikTok Shop right now.
Oh my God. Well, I think it's a lot for me to take to a client right now, because we're going to sell his bottle on TikTok Shop.
Do it. 100%. Will it work? Who the heck knows? But TikTok Shop without influencers probably not good enough. You're going to need some influencer content. So make sure you say, hey, we're going to load you. But if you really want it to work, you're going to need some influencer content. So make sure we've got my TikTok guy going for them.
Yeah, it's actually like, he's going to do that. I take over the account right now. And yeah, exactly that. Those were my questions actually about TikTok Shop.
Perfect.